Alright, in this video we are going to find the values of some trigonometric ratios. Like here they asked us to find the value of sine x, cosine x, tangent x, then sine z, cosine z and tangent z. The given information is this is a right triangle XYZ. The given values are xy equal to 36, yz is equal to 15 and xz is equal to 39, and it is right angled at y. So let us look at the definitions of these trig ratios. We know that sine theta equal to opposite side over hypotenuse, cosine of this angle theta equal to adjacent side over hypotenuse, and the tangent is opposite side over adjacent side. Once again, let us see how these sides are labeled with reference to this angle theta here. Sometimes we have A, B, C written over there. A, B and C are the three vertices and which are the three angles. Now here this angle A is referred to as theta. That is, it's a measure, something like a variable. It can be 30 degrees or 40, whatever is the angle. So with reference to this angle, let us label this a triangle. We know that whatever may be the triangle that is given to us, opposite to this right angle, the longest side is always the hypotenuse. First thing I suggest you to identify the hypotenuse, and once you have your hypotenuse, you have to decide where this opposite side and where the adjacent side goes. I suggest you to go to adjacent. Second thing, after hypo, locate the adjacent side, because it's very easy, because you are looking at this angle theta, and for this angle those are the two sides. One side already you named it as the hypotenuse, so this side is gone for that angle, so the remaining side has to be the adjacent side. So whatever angle that is in our reference, angle of reference for the for solving a problem, so that angle is consisting of the hypotenuse and adjacent side. That way I can remember. So first I located my hypotenuse, then I located the adjacent side. Now thirdly, you can easily say the remaining side is the opposite side. The third one is the opposite side, and clearly you can see that it is all the way across from this angle A, all the way you came here. This is the opposite side. So once you can identify the three sides of a given right triangle, you can go ahead and find your sine, cosine and tangent. In short, some people also remember it like that: SOH, that is sine, opposite side over hypotenuse; cosine, adjacent side over hypotenuse; tangent, that is opposite side over adjacent side. Now let us go back to our problem. So in this problem, first I am trying to find sine x. So my angle of reference is x. So this is the angle x we have here, and we know that the hypotenuse is always the longest side. Here we have all the three side measures, and 39 is the greatest of three. So I'll just say this is the hypotenuse, and also it is opposite to that angle y, which is 90 degrees. Now for this angle x, our reference angle, already this side xz is the hypotenuse. So the side xy must be the adjacent side. So with reference to this angle x, adjacent side is xy. Now the remaining side, the third side, is the opposite side, which is 15. Also, you can say that opposite side is like triangle XYZ. In triangle XYZ, when I consider this x, the angle, the remaining side will be the opposite side. You can also remember like that. Now What is this trig relationships we have? We already know what is meant by sine, cosine and tangent. Okay, let me put it here. I'll find sine x first. My sine x is going to be how much? Sine x equal to your opposite side yz, which is 15 over the hypotenuse, that is 39. If we can simplify this, we have to write this fraction in the simplest form. So I can simplify and rewrite it as 3 divides 15 5 times, 3 can divide 39 13 times, so it is 5 over 13. And cosine x is adjacent side over hypotenuse. Here I have adjacent over hypotenuse. Your adjacent side, that is 36 over hypotenuse 39. So this also you can break it down. 3 divides 36 12 times, and this is 13 times, 12 over 13. Now the third one, tangent x. So for this tangent x, the opposite side, that is 15, over adjacent side, that is 36, O over A. So my tangent x equal to 15 over 36 can be simplified as 15, 3 divides 15 5 times, and that is 12 times, so it is 5 over 12. That's it. So you have sine x is 5 divided 13, cosine 12 over 13, tangent x is 5 over 12. Alright, so we got the first part of our problem. We have sine x, cosine x and tangent x. Now you want to find what is sine z. Okay, in order to find sine z, what happens? Do I have to change the hypotenuse from here? No, hypotenuse continues to be the same, because angle y is still 90 degrees. But this angle of reference from x, you are moving to z. So this is the reference angle for me now. So for this angle, already you have this hypo. So what is the adjacent side? Your adjacent side is yz, not xy. Because of this angle z, I have to remove opposite side from here, and that yz becomes the adjacent side, and opposite side is the remaining side, or the side opposite to that angle z, which is xy. Like I said before, in this triangle xyz, z is the angle, so the side opposite to z is xy, which is 36 here. So once you have this info, you can find what is sine z. That's how much my sine z is going to be. Sine z equal to opposite side over hypotenuse, that is 36 over 39, which can be further simplified as 12 over 13. In the same way, you can continue and find the value of cosine z and tangent z. Please try. Thank you.